Chris here. I'm going to find out if it's worth my time scrapping this window AC unit. This is actually a fairly large one. It's an old Whirlpool window unit for casement and slider windows. If you haven't seen my videos before, I don't show you how to scrap something. I just try to get you in the ballpark of what something may be worth taking just straight to the scrapyard as is, opposed to taking home and spending some time tearing it apart. To start this one off, quick warning, disclaimer, whatever it may be. This particular unit had a freon leak, so there was none in it, even though it had plenty of oil that made a mess everywhere. If you ever tackle an air conditioning project, make sure you discharge the freon in a way that the EPA will appreciate it and not fine you tons of money. And of course, they're not going to see you, so don't ruin the environment, especially with R22. That's what this freon is right here. Anyway, I'm going to tear this apart, and we're going to start every video with a baseline of what it's worth taking to your scrapyard as is. So here we go. Well, folks, that's it for window AC unit, and I actually enjoyed this one. It's a little better making 12, 15 bucks compared to 30 cents on something. So this one was more fun to do. Um, until next time, like always, I'm going to end with a quick disclaimer.
I'm going to keep this short and keep you YouTuber police off my back with a few disclaimers. Number one, scrap value is always the lowest price for an item, just above garbage. So if you bring something home that works or has working parts, consider selling it on Craigslist, eBay. That's actually how I make a lot of money. Number two, scrap prices change with the stock market. Good rule of thumb, like I stated, but not fact. When oil prices are high, usually scrap prices go up, and then vice versa. For the purpose of this video, I just stated the prices from the last trip I made, so they're not going to be your prices. So I'm just using these as comparisons for the video. Number three, come on, use common sense. We're working with metals. They're sharp. They have sharp edges. Wear gloves, protective eye gear. Do what you need to do to keep yourself from going to the hospital and cutting to any profit you might make.